Hi everyone, so today I am teaching you how to use the codex. So for setting up the codex, you can see here developers.openai.com and codex CLI. Here you will get everything about how you can use the codex and how you can upgrade it. So I have an upgraded version of codex. So let's not waste our time and start this video. First of all, you need to install the codex and then you need to write the codex command. For now, let's skip this. So what we are building today? So basically today we are building an agency web app. For example, today we are building Code and Course agency web app, which is basically focused on providing video editing services. First of all, we will design a layout and we will see how it looks. And after that, we will get into how to make it more beautiful, how to make its UI more animated and everything like that. So I'm giving here act as a senior Next.js and UI UX engineer who has great experience in creating beautiful agency web app. So basically first you need to make this AI to act as someone who is more experienced. After that we need to say what is our main goal. Our main goal is to create an agency web app which primarily focuses on creating videos and provides editing services. And let's go. Let's see what it does and let's see what it creates. It will take few time, but it will definitely create the entire Next.js file and provide the entire code to us. Now you can see it has already started to create an app, the Next.js app, and we can see everything here. So basically now it's creating the layout, creating the component, everything, the global CSS we need to make it beautiful. And let's see what kind of results it gives us at the initial stage. You can see the magic in the background. It did the npm install and everything like that. And the node modules are also present now. Now let's go to our browser and see what kind of web app it has created. So it's running on 3000 port and look this. This is so insane. This is so cool. In the first glance, in the first prompt it has created. So now we will refine it more. We will add some kind of animation here and we can change this title. We can have this change to Code and Course. And we will see what more we can enhance here. So I have given this in the first section. We need to have animation, content being flowed with stars. So I hope here there will be some kind of animation, and we are a content creation agency that helps creators to scale. We are Code and Course, not framework. So I told him hey man, just please edit this and let's see the results. We can see it has created the beautiful animation, but yeah, still this box need to be a bit up, right? We need to move it a bit up. So let's work on this. And also the what we do section look totally messed up. We will be also working on this. Also the selected work, we don't have any relevant images here. Now let's refine this. So this is the prompt I have given to Codex in order to optimize this web app and have this animation a bit up and refine this what we do section and also the story driven section. Let's see what it does. Now you can see what kind of web app it has built. So still this looks so messed up, right? We will fix this. Let's go down. See, this is so clean, built for teams who need quality and velocity. Creator video production, high velocity editing, creator scaling retainers, and story driven campaigns with measurable feeds. Still our process in other sections, this looks so messed. We will work on this too. Now let's fix this animation. The animation looks completely messed. So I told it that remove the animation we currently have and have a globe animation. Basically 3JS provided. You can see the samples here in the 3JS, and I gave it the instruction that please remove this and have the globe animation. Let's see what it makes. Now see what a beautiful animation it has created. This is so much insane. And you can see how our web app is looking right now. Now let's fix this and have some copyright section here and our vibe coded web application will be completed. Now I have given this prompt in order to fix those sections. Let's see what Codex will do. We have successfully vibe coded this agency application, which basically focus on creating content and scale the creators. I will teach you and guide you how to step by step vibe code such kind of agency web application using Codex. This much for today guys, and follow for more if you want more tutorials like this.